The interesting thing, because Near has been enabling ability to hold assets from other chains through our chain signature and through Near Intents, this means that now in your Near account, you can have Bitcoin, you can have Solana, you can have Ethereum, you can have some other assets, real LWS, stablecoins, etc. And with this addition, you can secure your Near account with post-quantum cryptography key. You can store that seed phrase, somewhere in the ground, and not touch it again, and not worry about other assets, because effectively the transitions as they happen on other chains will be happening by the Near protocol upgrades themselves, instead of you needing to manually move assets on other chains. So effectively, they'll be moved for you as protocol upgrades. And so that's kind of an important and novel way, especially paired with confidentiality. You actually can store your Bitcoin, your Ethereum, your Solana, your stablecoins all in a confidential shard on Near and be safe effectively as those protocols upgrade without needing to do anything on your side. So be safe as opposed to quantum cryptography.